talking about? Let's go. We ain't even playing, baby. Let's go. Y'all got the game face? Yes.
I want everybody to make sure that your team is talking to your team. I don't want a lot of chit chat going on amongst the team, okay? There will be a advanced clock, okay? That means once the ball goes out of bounds, once we bring it in, the clock will go. Last 2 minutes of the game, we play regular football, okay? We got a head, another tail. Okay. Tell me what you want.
The call's tails.
Okay, we got a head, I'm defend. Defend? Okay, you go that way.
All right, green has elected to receive. White won the toss and chose to defer to the second half. Gentlemen, shake hands. Let's have a great game.
Looks like the out.
Let's get it, what are they talking about? Let's go. We ain't even playing, baby. Let's go. Let's go. It's strictly business now. Hey, who are we? Who are we? Who are we? All right. Let's go, baby. Turn it up. Let's go. Hey, right play the game. We snatch some. Kickoff. We know what time it is. Doing no talking. Let's go! Listen.
What time is it?
Tight trips on this side.
He hit the button, I promise.
Hector, you move over. All right, one linebacker moves over there to the outside, to the second end. Hector, you back by 6 yards back here on the outside to the inside. Okay, that's how we do trips. Watch out, number 16. We'll back up and come get the ball. If he does, we come and get him. All right, guys. You like, hey, listen. My thing is, watch the guards. That's all I'm saying. Watch the guards. Stay focused. All right.
Watch the ball.
Hey, y'all get in. Let's go.
Hey, Outlaws, get loud.
Hey, family on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Roby, you're beside a keeper. Beside a keeper.
Go.
Number 1, Ty Bumgarner around.
Backside, Corey.
Zach shoots up the middle for an initial 30-yard touchdown.
Don't matter how you start.
Got to hit someone.
Don't matter how you start.
Hey, Outlaws. That's how they come out here to start it, right? So we gonna finish it, right?
Y'all finish.
Hey, I can hear you. Are we gonna finish it?
Y'all good, guys. Y'all good. Outlaws, get together, baby. Let's go.
That's what I'm talking about. Don't let that inside.
Yes, sir! There you go! Oh! Hey, that's good job. Good job.
Hey, listen. Hey, listen. Let's go and defend this. Don't let them get back out here with that again, okay? My thing is, let that last session go, right? We knew right now, right?
Let's go.
We knew we better reform. Let's go get it right here.
Let's go.
Thank you, man, right here.
Number 1, Ty Bumgarner back deep to receive.
Get after it! Get after it now! Get after it! Get after it again! Get after it again!
Number 6. Number 5, Zach Sheets on the counter.
Hold these blocks, boys, and we score.
Number 1, Ty Bumgarner rolling through to get extra yardage. Number 1, Bumgarner when he puts his foot in the dirt. Number 5, Zach Sheets up the middle.
That's nothing! That's nothing! Watch the number! Right here!
O-line, boys, y'all have got to drive. You've got to drive.
We're missing one. He's coming. AJ. Okay. Hey, here. Superman.
Stay on.
Hey, water. What's up, buddy?
They're running away from you.
They're running away from South. They're running away from South and back. Okay? Listen, whichever side bowls his own is killing the South.
Yeah. That's what we need to do.
If he's on the left side, he's going to run down.
Jake, search for the linebacker to the left side, to the opposite of Silas. That's a hole!
Number 1 ran out of bounds. Looks like we've got multiple flags on. set up number 11.
Hey, everybody, we got him right here. Let's go. Motion. This side, this side. There you go. There you go.
What's happening
So
at the
he's
middle of
blitzing
this
every
line?
time on that side. 12, he's blitzing every time.
12, he's
coming
not.
right up.
I need an action. What's
He's
happening?
like corner.
It's coming straight up the gut. What's happening? Let's go. Hey, let's go. Let's go on to no play. Call a timeout, then we'll do.
Just on 2 or?
You want to go on? Where you want to go on?
I mean, if it's not a play, I can just keep going.
Go on.
Listen. Do not listen. They gonna punt. Do not move. Do not move. They gonna punt. They want to see if you're gonna jump. Okay? Let's go.
Coach, let's go. Hey, I'm going back. I got punt.
Let's go.
Hey, good call, Coach. I see you out here reading
I
mine.
got you, baby. I got you.
I can hit
the center
fall on them. Those guys don't punt right. Hey, they punt Hector.
What if it's a
Hey, sure.
Like that.
I want you to unless they shift over, then you can shift to the middle or whatever.
Hey, watch this. Hey, look, they still can get you off sides right now.
We good right here on this side.
They still get you off sides, so watch the ball. Hey, listen, they still can get you off sides, so watch the ball, right?
Let's go. Hey, let's go.
Right here.
Number 1, Todd Baumgartner, bobbing and weaving his way for a 50-yard Dirty Bird touchdown.
Get after the ball. Get after the ball.
And the extra point is good. Your Dirty Birds, 16.
John, keep that way.
They went out right here.
It's all right, we good. We good. Let's go. Let's go.
Costello. Number 75.
It's okay. It's all right.
We're still up by 10 cannons.
We're good.
We get the ball back.
We can ball half. We can ball half.
Guys, we get the ball at halftime. You understand me? Let's score, and we put them away. You understand me? Yes, sir. Y'all get water. Hey, guys, bring water over to them, please. Online.
Hey, Grayson.
Y'all gave a solid push for 3 plays that whole half.
Get that Gatorade.
You know what happened? 2 out of 3 of them.
Situation.
Exactly. Boys, stay on the floor.
On the ground. Watch.
Hey, all offensive linemen, I need y'all over here, boys. I need we're not focusing this on. All right. Like I said, y'all held it down out there for 3 plays, and we scored 2 out of 3. All right, we should have scored on the other ones that way. But just keep it going, boys. Keep it going. Y'all know what got us here. All right, y'all know what's gonna take us out of here. Y'all know what's gonna take us to state, right? All right, let's keep it rolling. Keep it rolling. All right, get you some water. Hydrate. Compliment yourself.
We're gonna set it up. You move outside a little bit, sit inside the hole, man.
But he's on double pick. He's on double cover.
So bring my safety up.
Hey, yeah, that's what we already told him to already.
He gotta come up. Come up through that little hole.
Having outside backers.
But they got 2 outside. They got doubles out here, so they're congested. they already run them off. You know what I'm saying? So you try to get beat by yourself. So it's man coverage on this side. Hector, it's man. So my thing is, Amir, who's my deep corner? Timber.
Right in front of you.
Hey, 5 yards back, let it go. Pick it up. He's gonna let it go. If he goes past you 5 yards, let it go. Come back. Because if you keep going back, that's why they're getting these yards, all right? So all right then, so my thing is, hey, you let them know before the ball is snapped. I got this guy over here. 10 yards, you play my zone, okay? Get out. You come back.
Wait, so on twins or split? Or on both?
You the corner, right?
Outside guy.
Outside guy. If he goes more than like 7 yards, come back to the play.
Y'all got to pop them just like they popping y'all. Keep it up. No arm tackling.
Hey, let's get it in right now. Hey, take these smirks and stuff off your face and put that game face back on. Y'all got the game face? Yes, sir. Who are we? Outlaw. Who are we? Outlaw. Who are we? Outlaw. Hey, this outfit. We gonna run all over that tail right now, okay, guys? And we gonna put it up there. Show me what you can do. Me, Corey. Show me what you can do. Luke,
I'm finna be on capture this star.
Drop it out.
Oh yeah, what up?
Get it up. Get it up. Hey, y'all better get louder than that. Y'all better get louder than that. Hey, I want them to hear you. Let's go.
Relax. Hey. Win on 3. 1, 2, 3.
There you go. There you go. You need to cut that nail.
Chloe Barnes. Hayden Day.
Get after it.
Let's go. Right there. Hector, 16.
Number 5, Zach Sheets.
Side, hey, Hector, other side. Never mind, stay. Never mind, my bad. Go. Hey, watch the double. Go, Hector, go. No. Over here. Hit him right there. Let's go. Back. Run. Dude, come over.
Number 5, Zach Sheets. Out.
There you go, Sam.
The pass is a little underthrown and picked off. First down.
Hey, right here.
No, it's not.
Focus.
Look,
We just focus. Listen. We just ran the ball and ran it twice hard right there. Now let's line up and let's go. Pay attention to this man in the huddle. If you ain't quarterback, keep your mouth shut. It's that simple. Listen to what he's got to say and let's go.
And get loud too, dude. So let's go.
Hey.
Don't tell me what to call.
No matter how you start, no matter what score is right now, y'all got to change it. You understand? Y'all got to change it. Play big, baby. Play big. Hey, let's go, fellas. Let's go. Hey, let's go, man. Hey, that boy, Jason.
Come on, Corey.
Number 5, tackling machine, Zach Sheets coming up big for your Dirty Bird defense. Number 20, Jack Taylor, setting the edge and making a tackle for a big loss.
On your back?
Let's go, baby. All night. All night.
Let's fly you back. Speed. Keep it up. Yeah. Keep it up. Let's go.
Braylon, come outside.
Number 52, Piles on the carry up the middle. Piles measured.
Get him!
Brings up 4th down and 15.
Punt it out of bounds as deep as you can, my side. Now listen to me. Tell the referee to tell you when it's 10 seconds.
Number 72, Chris Lewis with a quarterback shot to finish the game. And yeah, that team used it.
Let's go! That's it! That's it, boys! Get it up! Get it up! Get it up! Get it up!
Nothing but good games. Nothing but good games. Let's go. Let's go.
Nothing but good games.
Wow.
Hey,
job, man. Hey, good job, brother. Hey, good job, brother. Hey, what's up, brother? Hey, way to run the ball. Y'all did real good. Man, I had to put so many seconds back on there for you. Hey, you didn't good game. Hey, let's turn around. Let's turn around. Turn around.
Hey, I said it all night. All night.
Good game. Good game. Good game. Good game. Listen. Who's house? Who's house? Who's house? Who's house? Hey, listen to me. Real quick, let's break it down dirty bird style. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Zach, lead us off. Let's go.
Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. Yes, sir, baby.
Easy dubs, man. Best kicker in the nation right here.
Hey guys, I'll talk to y'all down here at the end zone.
Cheerleaders want to take a picture with them.
Hey guys, cheerleaders want another picture. Take a picture and then I want to talk to y'all. You understand me? Let's go.